Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to get iPhone out of SOS mode. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. So to do this, we have 4 steps. Step 1. To begin, shut down and restart your iPhone. To do this, press and hold the power button located at the right side. Slide the on-screen prompt to power off. Then open your iPhone by tapping the power button. Step 2. This issue might also be related to poor network connectivity. To address this, access the Settings app. Scroll down to locate the General section. Then choose Transfer or Reset iPhone. Enter your password to proceed. Then tap Reset and confirm your choice by selecting Reset Network Settings. Step 3. Ensure that your data roaming is enabled on your iPhone, especially if you are traveling to a different state or country than where your SIM card was originally issued. To do this, open the Settings app, then tap on Cellular or Data. Make sure the data roaming option is enabled. Step 4. Consider repairing your iPhone by connecting it to your PC using a USB cable. Make sure you have the iOS system repair software installed. Launch the software and click Start Repair. Choose the issue related to your problem. Then click on Fix Now. Now for the standard repair. Click Standard Repair. Download the necessary files. And once complete, initiate the standard repair by clicking Start Standard Repair to resolve the issue with your iPhone. And that's all for now, folks. I hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.